Very good morning to all the students. As you have already studied what is total utility and marginal utility. What is total utility? Total utility is the total satisfaction derived from consumption of all the units of a commodity, and marginal utility is the satisfaction which is derived from the consumption of one additional unit. So what becomes the formula for mu, marginal utility? That is TUN minus TUN minus 1, which will be more clear when you look at the table. For example, you are consuming commodity X, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you are consuming a commodity which is increasing one by one in unit. Now suppose if you look at the total utility, that is increasing 100, 190, 270, 340 and 400. Now what is mu? Mu is the satisfaction which you are getting by consumption of one additional unit, which means when you are consuming one unit, you got 100 satisfaction. Now after one you consume one more, and in this one more commodity your total utility increased from 100 to 190. That means mu for one unit, if you see from here, the first unit, before 100 you don't have any unit, before 1 you don't have any unit, and that means that satisfaction 100, you have no satisfaction. So mu at the first unit will be 100 minus 0, that is 100. Okay, now then you come to the second unit. Here you increase consumption from 1 to 2. Now here total utility has increased from 100 to 190. So 190 minus 100 will give you the satisfaction for the first unit, that is mu. फर्स्ट से जब हम सेकेंड पे आए तो वो इंक्रीज़ हुआ 100 टू 190. तो mu जब हम निकालेंगे, दैट इज़ TUN माइनस TUN माइनस 1, दैट इज़ 190 minus 100 is equals to 90. Now come to the third unit. Again we have increased consumption of one more unit. So TU has now become 270. So the satisfaction, the mu for third unit, that is 270 minus 190 is equals to 80. Okay, similarly when we consume the fourth unit, that is consumption, now TU increases from 270 to 340. So what will be MUX? It will be 340 minus 270, that is 70. Okay, now come to the fifth unit. Again TU is 400 and it has increased from 340 to 400. What will be mu? It will be 400 minus 340, that is 60. So if you look at the behavior of MUX, that is marginal utility of commodity X, at first it was 100, then it became 90, then it became 80, then it became 70, and then it became 60. It means it is going on diminishing. It is going on diminishing. And what you can say about TU? TU is increasing, as you can see, it's become 100, then 190, then 270, but the rate of increase is decreasing. That means it is increasing at a decreasing order. If you see it properly, from 100 to 190 when it increased, the increase was 90. Then from 190 to 270 when it increased, the increase was 70. That means it is increasing, but the rate of increase is decreasing. So I hope all of you are clear with this. Then again, if you want to work out what is the formula for mu, marginal utility is equal to TUN minus TUN minus 1. That is जो आपको satisfaction मिल रहा है minus जो उसके पहले का satisfaction था, that will give you the mu value. And what is TU? If you add all the mu, summation of mu will give you TU. So if you see, if you add up all the mu here, 100 plus 90 plus 80 plus 70 plus 60, you will get the amount 400, which is the maximum TU. Is it clear? Okay. Now we'll plot the same table which we have discussed in the form of graph. If you see in the graph, on x-axis you will take consumption of commodity X. What you will take? Consumption of commodity X. Then on the y-axis you will take TU and mu. TUX and MUX, total utility and marginal utility. Now we'll work out the curves. Okay. So on commodity 1, if we see when we consume first commodity, then TU was 100 and MU was 0. So that means that on, if we talk about the consumption, so TU का कर्व जो हम प्लॉट करेंगे, तो पहला पॉइंट जो है हमारा, दैट इज़ TU हमारा 100 है एंड MU जो है वो 0 है. तो TU को आप 100 कहीं इस पॉइंट को मार्क कर लीजिए. ओके. देन सेकेंड इज व्हेन TU इज़ 190 देन MU इज़ 90. ओके. सो TU कर्व आपका ये ऊपर जा रहा है, MU कर्व नीचे आ रहा है. तो TU कर्व जब 190 दैट इज़ आपका पॉइंट 150 200 के बीच में आएगा, कहीं पॉइंट मार्क कर लीजिए. और MU कर्व जो है, MU कर्व विल कम समवेयर अराउंड, जो वो पॉइंट है उसका दैट इज़ 90 है, तो 150 के बीच में पॉइंट आएगा. तो ये पॉइंट दूसरा बना लीजिए. ठीक है. देन कम्स व्हेन TU इज़ 270 देन MU इज़ 80. तो फिर आपको सेम वैसी पॉइंट बनाना है, 270 यहाँ पे और 80 यहाँ पे. सिमिलरली जब आप प्लॉट करते जाएंगे सारी वैल्यूज़, तो TU कर्व आपका ऊपर जाएगा बिकॉज एज यू कैन सी फ्रॉम द वैल्यूज इज इंक्रीजिंग, और MU कर्व आपका नीचे आएगा, इट इज़ डिक्रीजिंग. वाई? बिकॉज वैल्यूज़ 100, 90, then 80, 70, 60. Okay, so this is decreasing and TU is increasing. Now if we talk about relation between TU and MU, अभी तो आपने इंडिविजुअली TU MU पढ़ लिया. Now if we talk about relation between TU and MU, then what we can say that, see from the table above, the quantity is increasing output from 0 to 6. TU is increasing 0, 8, 14, 18, 20. That is reaching the maximum saturation point and then it's started decreasing. If you see from the table that it reaches its maximum saturation point 20 and then it decreases. Now if you see in MU, the values are decreasing 8, 6, 4, 2, 0 and it's becoming negative. You know how the values have come from MU? By decreasing TU at each additional unit. Is it clear? Okay. Now you make two separate graphs and join with the line in between. For TU make a separate graph, and just beneath TU you make MU graph and join both of them with a line like this which is shown. Okay. Now if you plot MU, you will see that initially it is increasing and then it is reaching the saturation point and then it starts decreasing. And if we talk about MU is decreasing, it becomes 0 and then it becomes negative. But अगर हम इन दोनों की relation के बारे में पढ़ें, तो what we can say about the relation of both? The first relation is, as more and more units of a commodity are consumed, the MU derived from each successive unit goes on diminishing, but the TU increases up to a limit. So what we can say, as we go on consuming more and more units, then what happens? The TU increases up to a certain limit, but MU is decreasing. You can see from the graph that MU is decreasing, but TU is increasing to a certain limit, which becomes the maximum saturation point. Second point, MU of the first 4 unit being positive, the TU goes on increasing. Thus, as long as MU is positive, TU increases. Now, the second relation which we can say is, as long as MU is positive, मतलब जब तक MU 0 नहीं हुआ था, जब तक MU नीचे डिमिनिश नहीं हुआ था, डिक्रीज़ नहीं, मतलब नेगेटिव में नहीं हुआ था, तब तक TU इंक्रीज़ कर रहा था. सो एज लॉन्ग एज MU इज़ पॉजिटिव, TU इज़ इंक्रीजिंग. तो हमारा क्या रिलेशन से बन गया कि जब तक हमारा MU पॉजिटिव है, लाइक यू कैन सी फ्रॉम हियर 8, 6, 4, 2, ये 4 यूनिट्स तक पॉजिटिव है, तब तक TU इंक्रीज़ कर रहा था. ओके. Now, when MU becomes 0, in this situation, Tu becomes maximum. Now if you see from the graph that when mu is becoming 0, जब यहाँ line को touch कर ले रहा है x axis को, if at this point mu is at its Tu is at its maximum. Okay, so when mu becomes 0, Tu is at its maximum saturation point. You can see from the table also, it is at the 5th unit. It is when mu is 0, then Tu has reached the maximum saturation point, that is 20. The values are repeating, that is beyond this we cannot increase. Now when mu of the 6th unit is negative, then as a result the Tu of the 6th unit falls from 20 to 18. That means now Tu starts diminishing or decreasing. So when mu becomes negative, that is after the 5th unit, जब mu negative हो रहा है तो Tu जो है यहाँ पे it starts diminishing. Tu is starting to decline. You can see from the graph as well as from the value. When mu becomes -2, Tu value becomes 18. So I hope this relation is clear to all of you. So if in a summarized form, in a small short form, if you want to write it, Tu is summation of mu. Tu increases as long as mu is positive. When mu is 0, Tu is maximum. When mu is negative, Tu starts diminishing, and decreasing mu implies that Tu is increasing at a decreasing rate. Okay, thank you class.